So we had a big work day on Thursday, and we'll look at that in a minute. But first, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about what I'm working on the computer. This will be my 12th video since my accident. Basically, I've made them shooting and editing with my left hand. I'm getting a little bit more mobility in my arm. Physical therapy started this past week, and I've got a little bit of range of motion. I cannot do this, which means everything above touching my nose has to be done with my left hand. So what I'm working on is my visit to Lizzie Lou's family farm in Curry, North Carolina, last July the 10th. Now, even if you're not a family farmer or wish to be, hope to be a family farmer, and if you do, you really need to watch this. Elizabeth has such a great story, and you're going to want to see what she has overcome to become a mother and a family farmer. So be sure and watch for that video. Now, I wanted to thank everyone for all the birthday wishes from Valentine's Day, please see my Valentine's Day birthday message video. Basically, I spent most of the day at the computer in my pajamas answering comments and replying to all of you. I'm running late today, so there are going to be planes and all kinds of people talking and neighbors active and all that stuff that I can avoid if I start shooting at 7:30 a.m., which I didn't do today. Plain. And I got a gift that keeps on giving. Charles from Old Alabama Gardener realized I was out of comfrey, or I'd used all the leaves, and he sent me a few more roots. Well, they're not roots, they're crowns. Thursday Workday got started a day early when I received that package and got those in pots. Check it out. Look at that! A worm traveled all the way from Alabama. Aww, how cute! Some of these are roots and some are the crowns. Obviously the ones with a little leaf on top are crowns. These are roots. I'll put these 3 little roots in a pot by themselves, and I'll put crowns in a pot, individual pots. And Thursday Workday, well, it was a mix of all kinds of stuff. Watch, please watch.
It looks almost like new. See?
we're just adding stinging nettle to the compost because that's supposed to be really healthy stuff.
A lot of room underneath.
Oh, good. Okay. Can you get the whole thing? Okay, good. Linaria. Okay. You think that's about 10 pounds? Let me see. That's nice.
Yeah.
So we picked up some coffee grounds today and I'm going to distribute that. Do another scoop. These poor plants. Okay, 3 scoops, right?
This is 12 ounces.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, I see. It's a cooking thing. And you're going to put
In the room.
3 scoops around the
Wow.
orange tie.
This is my 5 fingers, see?
Yeah, it's
Stronger.
Yeah, he loves it. The idea is the neem goes into the roots and helps with the mildew at a root level. I gave the potted peppers a soak the other day. Drench.
What?
Yeah.
Two?
Next week we should put some compost on these too.
3.
Okay. Oh, that is pretty. So it's blooming again. Yeah, just like you were cutting grass. That's it. Perfect. And then you're gonna... What we're doing is we're harvesting the green manure. This is just for the compost. And hopefully that will grow back. And these I'm leaving for 1 week. Figure out what to do with those for next week. Ah, the stinging nettle's in there, so we're not going to touch it. Okay, good plan.
Very nice, eh?
Beautiful. Nice. That soil looks moist and black. Okay, so we want coffee grounds and we want banana peel. So we are going to plant 3 tomatoes, and the far one is going to get more sun, and this one's going to get less sun, and this one's going to get the least amount of sun.
Banana? Banana.
Okay.
Oh, see, it start growing.
Beautiful.
Happy.
That's since last week.
Looking for something? What's too much?
No, it's not too much.
Is that okay?
Yes.
You the boss. More coffee in the top?
Sure. I want to cut off those lower branches. Stick them in the hole.
This is the little tricky.
Yeah,
Okay.
another little trick. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, that's perfect.
This is the best.
looks great. First 3 volunteers going in. Okay. Number 3.
Number 3.
What is this? And we've got 4 o'clocks here. Something coming out here. It looks like cilantro or carrot or something. This looks like dill or fennel.
I wanted to say a little bit about my range of motion. But I'm not going to be able to because he's whistling. I better just say thank you and goodbye. Thanks so much for watching. Please give me that thumbs up and watch all my playlists and share this channel with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.